Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TN Art. So today I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how I make these holographic mold from the sheets that I have shown you in the previous video that everyone was asking about. And let's start. What I'm doing here is I have taken the silicone that I always use. It's 1:1, really easy to mix and of superb quality. So it's two-part. I'm measuring my first part A and part B equally. I'm taking here around 81 gram of part A and then 80 gram of part B, and I will be mixing it simply. So here I have taken my silicone and I'm mixing it thoroughly, slowly, but make sure that you mix it around 5 to 6 minutes so that it's been mixed properly. So after it's been mixed, this is the pattern of the holographic sheet I will be making mold out of. So what I did here is I have simply taken the sheet here and I will be making a free form, nothing of any shape. I have many tutorials available where I have made shapes, so I will link them as well. This time I'm just showing you because I have getting some requests that a lot of people were not getting the result out of these sheets. So I wanted to show you that they really work. I was making molds out of them, but this is for all of you. I'm showing you here again. What I'm doing here is why I'm making this freehand is because you later on I will be cutting this silicone according to the size of the mold. I will be placing this silicone inside, so it's really up to you. You can cut out the sheet and make molds out of it, or there are so many ways, but I don't recommend using a heat gun or anything on top of this because it will be ruining your holographic sheet. For me, these are really precious because they came all the way from USA, but for people in USA, you can buy them again as well. So these are fairly big sheets. You can make molds for your tray as well. I have heard a lot of people wanted to make bigger holographic molds for trays as well. So now you can make a mold for a tray. It's really easy. As you can see, the size of the sheet is really big. So I just poured the silicone onto the holographic sheet, and after pouring I will let it cure. There is some dust here and there. I'm just removing that. Nothing special here. So I will let it cure. See you next day. So this is the next day, and let's see what happens here. So you need to be super careful, wear gloves because you don't want any marks. What I do here is I have taken this cling film. As soon as I remove the mold from my sheet, you will see later on what I do, but first we see the results. Here you can see it's been transferred onto the silicone. So it do work. Anyone having problem, it might be because of your silicone, I can say. Other than that, there is no reason you can't have the holographic effect because you can see that it's happening here. So carefully I'm removing it from the sheet. So here is the result. You can see it's been transferred. So it is a free form. I will later on cut it and make a shape out of it, so not to worry. But what I do here is that when I remove it from the mold, from the sheet, I cover them in a cling film because I want to protect the layers. We don't want any fingerprints or dust ruining your mold. So I cover them from both sides. It sticks like a sticker. So I will be doing this on both sides, getting some air bubbles. So that's what I'm doing here, just to make it plain. So on to the other side. This is the back side anyways, so it don't matter, but I still do cover it. So this is on the other side. Holographic sheet that you have seen are like a sticker form. You can cut them and stick on any surface you like to make mold out of it. You no need to do any resin or anything. I might try that as well and let you see. So I will be showing you some of the molds that I have been making. So this is the starburst one, and there are many molds. I have made them in circle as well. This one as circle. I have cut this one for another shape I wanted. So I've been making, so many molds out of this. In these I have added some colors as well. So this is as another shape here. I haven't used this one, and this one you might have seen me making molds. So this is how I've been making mold out of this sheet. So I hope you like the video. Like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.